Hello and namaste beautiful yogis. How are you all? Today's practice is going to be for when you're feeling lazy. So in case you're watching this video lying down on your bed, stay lying down. Just keep the phone somewhere, where you can watch it from the side, right? You can be lying down on the mat or on the bed. So you're lying down. And keep the palms on your belly. Stay here. Big breaths. Start with big breaths. Inhale. Let the belly fill up. And exhale. Navel to spine. Inhale. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Excellent. From there, bringing your legs in, bending your knees. Don't worry, we're not going to get up at all from this position. So you can stay here and bring one leg in. Bring one leg in. Hug the knee to the chest. Stay and breathe. Continue to breathe here. Easy wind releasing pose. And release. Changing sides. So left leg comes in. Hug the knee to the chest. You can point your toes or let the toes be flexed. Stay here and breathe. Big inhale, big exhale. And one more time. Just join your legs together, bringing both the knees in towards the chest. Hug your knees to the chest. Reclining child's pose or full wind releasing pose. Inhale here. Exhale. And one last time. There, make a figure of 4. So take your right leg, right knee bent, and left knee is also bent at 90 degrees. Hug the left leg from underneath, from behind the leg, behind the thigh, and start pulling your left leg towards you. Figure of 4 stretch or reclining pigeon pose stretch. Stay here and breathe. Pull the leg closer. And changing sides. So right leg is bent at 90 degrees. Left knee is cross in figure of 4. And you hold the right thigh from behind and keep pulling the right leg in. And remember, you're also pushing the elbow against your left leg. So left elbow pushing against the left leg, and you're pulling the right leg in. Inhale and exhale. And one more breath. And release from there. Bring your feet down. Extend your right leg up. Now, if you can, hold the right big toes and stay here. If you cannot, try to hold your leg from anywhere, flex your toes and stay here, extending the leg upwards. If you can, extend the other leg also out. But if it's too much of a task, keep the knee bent. It's all right. Stay here and breathe. See that you're pulling the leg closer to your head. And gently release. Changing the sides. So left leg comes up, right hand is on the belly or on the pelvis. Hold the big toes with the 3-finger grips. This is the 3-finger grip, index finger, middle finger and the thumb, and go up. Straighten the leg as much possible. If your knee is bent, let it be, or you can hold the leg from the side and try to lengthen it. But don't bother if your knee is bent, just let it be. And breathe. Deep breaths. You're still relaxing. And release. Release your legs down. This time, bring both your legs in. See if you can hold the big toes with both the hands. And even if your knees are bent, let them be. You're trying to pull the legs towards you as much as possible. Try not to lift off your lower back off the floor as much as your legs will allow you. If this is happening, stop. Right? So stay here and breathe. Remember, you're trying to pull the legs toward you. And if your knees are bent, you can keep the knees bent and stay and breathe. Straighten only if possible. And release. From there, cross your legs. Crossing your legs, knee over the other knee. So right knee over the left knee. Hold your ankles and pull your ankles towards you. Reclining cow face pose. So pulling the ankles towards you. Continue to breathe. And changing sides, left knee over the right. And breathe. One more breath. And release. From there, bring your legs down. Extend the left leg. Right knee comes in. We're going to do the twist. It's a supine twist. So hold the right knee from the outside with the left hand. Let the knee fall onto the left side. Extend your right arm out, or you can keep it behind your head. Stay and breathe. If it is not resting on the floor, it's alright. Go as far as your body allows you. See that you're not lifting the right shoulder up. Keep breathing. And release. Just 3 breaths. Changing sides. Left leg comes in. Hold the left knee from the outside with the right hand. Left hand behind the head. And drop the knee towards the right side. Look towards the left. Keep breathing. See that you're not lifting that left shoulder up. And release. Bring both the knees in. Turn the soles of your feet up towards the ceiling. Hold the instep. If this is too difficult, hold your thighs. You can stay here in the happy baby pose. Stay and breathe. Keep breathing. And join the soles of your feet together. Bring the legs down. Stay in the reclining bound angle pose. Keep your arms by the sides. Palms are facing up. Continue to breathe. Let the knees fall out with the gravity. Extend your legs out for the final posture, corpse pose or shavasana. Let your arms be, let your legs fall out on either sides. Feet are flopped out, back of the neck long, chin towards the chest. Go back to sleep in case you want to just rest. Big breaths. Fill up your belly and empty the belly. You can stay here for as long as you want to, as long as you need to. This completes the practice for when you're feeling lazy. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for practicing with me. Thank you and namaste.